नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण सुरू करणार आहोत लिनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इन विच dependent variable and its differential coefficients occur in the first degree only are and are not multiplied together is called as linear differential equation. Method of solving: consider the linear differential equation dy by dx plus dy py is equal to q. P and q are the functions of x only, so multiplying by e raised to integration p dx, we get dy by dx e raised to integration p dx, p into y e raised to integration p dx, q into e raised to integration p dx. So this can be the complete derivative of d dx of y into e raised to integration p dx is equal to q into e raised to integration p dx. So integrating, we get y into e raised to integration p dx is equal to integration of q into e raised to integration p dx plus c. So the general solution is, if we denote this e raised to integration p dx as an integrating factor, so general solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So these are some examples. Solve dy by dx plus 4x upon x square plus 1y is equal to 1 upon x square plus 1 cube. Given differential equation is given by now comparing with this dy by dx py is equal to q. So p is nothing but 4x upon x square plus 1 and q is nothing but 1 upon x square plus 1 bracket cube, where p and q are the functions of x alone. So given equation is linear differential equation, and so general solution is given by y into integrating factor integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. So integrating factor is nothing but e raised to integration p dx. So we have to calculate this integrating factor e raised to integration p. Value of p is 4x upon x square plus 1 dx. So we can take 2 मल्टिप्लाय आणि डिवाइड करा. 4xला आपण करू शकतो 2 into 2 सॉरी 2 into integration 2x on x square plus 1. Now here डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ डिनॉमिनेटरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा न्यूमरेटरमध्ये आहे. जेव्हा डिनॉमिनेटरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा न्यूमरेटरमध्ये असतो, सो इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स अपॉन एफ डॅश एक्स इज ऑलवेज लॉग ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स. So integration becomes e raised to integration 2 log of x square plus 1. So here we get e and a log cancel will x square plus 1 bracket square. This is the integrating factor. So solution becomes y into integrating factor, that is y into x square plus 1 bracket square integration of x q is 1 upon x square plus 1 bracket cube into integrating factor, that is x square plus 1 bracket square dx. So x square plus 1 स्क्वेअर कॅन्सल होईल, राहील 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 dx. आता याचं इंटिग्रेशन काय येईल, टॅन इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल प्लस सी. दिस इज अ रिक्वायर्ड सोल्यूशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, सॉल्व dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to sin 2x. Here also p is equal to cot x, q is equal to sin 2x. So integrating factor is e raised to integration cot x dx. cot x कसा लिहिता येईल आपल्याला, cos x upon sin x. साइन एक्सचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कॉस एक्स आहे असल्यामुळे इंटिग्रेशन काय होईल, ई रेस टू लॉग साइन एक्स. सो इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर इज नथिंग बट साइन एक्स. सो वाय इंटू साइन एक्स इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ क्यू इज नथिंग बट साइन 2x इंटू साइन एक्स डी एक्स. साइन 2xला कसं लिहिता येईल आपल्याला, 2 sin x इंटू कॉस एक्स इंटू साइन एक्स. सो 2 इंटू साइन स्क्वेअर एक्स कॉस एक्स डी एक्स. सो विच इज द, आणि याचं इंटिग्रेशन काय मिळेल, साइन क्यूब एक्स अपॉन 3 प्लस सी. सो this which is the required general solution. These are more examples on this topic. You may solve at home as we have provided the notes for you. Now Bernoulli's differential equations. A differential equation is of the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y raised to n is called as Bernoulli's differential equations. The method of solving by example, dy by dx plus 2xy plus xy raised to 4. याला कसं लिहिता येईल, dy by dx 2xy is equal to minus x y into I raised to 4. which is the Bernoulli's differential equation. So put y raised to, dividing throughout by y raised to 4, so minus 1 upon y raised to 4 is nothing but y raised to minus 4 divided by dx plus 2 x y raised to 4 ने डिवाइड केला तर एक y कॅन्सल होईल, y raised to minus 3 into minus x is equal to minus x. सो पुट दिस जो एक सेकंड टर्ममध्ये असतो y raised to minus 3 is equal to v पुट करा. सो minus 3 y raised to 4 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. So given equation becomes minus 1 by 3 dv by dx plus 2xv is equal to minus x. So dv by dx is equal to 6xv is equal to 3x, which is the linear differential equation, and its solution is given by v into integrating factor integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. So here p is nothing but here minus 6x. So integrating factor becomes e raised to integration p dx, that is e raised to integration minus 6x dx, that is e raised to minus 3x square. So v into e raised to minus 3x square integration of 3x into e raised to minus 3x square dx plus c. Put 3x square is equal to t, so 6x dx is equal to dt. So v into e raised to minus 3x square 1 half integration e raised to minus t dt, e raised to minus 2 dt, so integration e raised to minus 2 upon into minus 2 minus 1 half e raised to minus t plus c. Put the value of v, put the value of t, so we get 1 upon y cube is equal to minus 1 half c into e raised to minus 3x square, which is the required solution of given differential equation. Now these are some more examples on Bernoulli's equations, and you may solve these equations. Now this is the end of our chapter.